Stop forcing yourself to eat boring sprout salads because these delicious pancakes, dahi vada, and even waffle all made with sprouts. Today we are turning regular plain sprouts into 3 high protein breakfasts that actually taste good. Let's cook. Since they are raw sprouts, I am breaking them down into my hand chopper. This makes the pancake easier to spread and gives it a better texture. And smaller pieces are also easier to digest. Now I am going to chop some vegetables in the same chopper, less cleaning in between. So here I am adding the chopped sprouts and onions together. I am also using carrots, bell peppers for this pancake. They add natural sweetness, fiber and important nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin A and antioxidants. And they also give the pancake a really nice crunch and texture. Adding salt, and next goes roasted sesame seeds. Don't skip this one, they are great source of healthy fats, calcium, iron and magnesium. And they add a subtle nutty flavor that works really well in savory pancake. To increase the protein even more, I am adding grated paneer. Paneer also makes the pancakes softer inside and more satisfying. Here comes chickpeas flour for binding. You can add oats flour too. If your batter feels too thick, add a splash of water, and if it is too thin, add besan. Alright, our batter is ready. Let me show you the consistency. This is the exact consistency we are looking for. It shouldn't be runny like regular pancake batter. It should be slightly thick so we can spread it with the help of spoon. Now let's cook the pancake. Today I am using my cast iron dosa pan. Did you know cooking in iron cookware can actually add extra iron to your food? So it's a simple way to support your daily iron intake. We will cook small pancakes, spreading the batter gently with the back of a spoon, just like this. Let it cook until the bottom becomes golden and crisp. Since our sprouts are raw, we need to cook them in very low flame so that it cooks through both sides. Once the edges start to set, flip it carefully. Cook the other side until it's nicely crispy and golden. This plate gives you around 25 grams of protein plus fiber to keep you full for longer. It's crispy outside and soft inside. Doesn't taste like diet food at all. You must try. Now let's change the structure. This is not your regular dahi vada. First I am adding 1 cup of green moong sprouts to the blender. They are rich in plant protein, fiber and B vitamins. Green peas to boost protein and fiber even more. I am also adding Greek yogurt that makes batter creamy and adds even more protein. Salt and simple spices, but they add so much flavor. Blend everything together until you get a smooth texture. Now look at the color. This beautiful green batter is packed with nutrients. Now I am adding some finely chopped vegetables. And to increase the protein even more, I am adding grated paneer. Mix everything together. Now here is an important tip. If the batter feels slightly runny, you can add about 1/4 cup of semolina, oats flour or besan. That helps the vadas hold their shape. Instead of deep frying, we are cooking this gently with few drops of oil in appe pan. Spoon the batter into the appe pan like this. Just a few drops of oil are enough. And then cover and cook on medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. You still get that golden exterior, but without heavy oil. Just look at that, golden and slightly crispy on the outside, soft, fluffy and airy on the inside. This is exactly the texture you want in this dahi vada. And the best part, it's packed with protein. But don't stop there, add some uniqueness. Instead of just pouring the yogurt on top, I like to spread it on the plate like this, almost like a hummus base. It makes the dish look beautiful and every bite gets some yogurt. A pinch of spices to bring everything together. Then a little green chutney for freshness and some tamarind chutney for that sweet tangy flavor. Now place the warm vadas right on top. Some pomegranate for sweetness and color and fresh cilantro. Dahi vada upgraded. If you love dahi vada or Indian chaat, this is going to be your next favorite. Just one serving of this dahi vada bowl gives you roughly 25 to 28 grams of protein along with fiber from sprouts and vegetables. So it's not just delicious, it's also a really satisfying and balanced meal. Now here is the fun one. Kids usually don't get excited about sprouts, but they definitely love waffles. So what if we combine the two? That's exactly what we are doing here. We are starting again with a cup of sprouted green moongs, naturally rich in plant protein, fiber, and important minerals like iron and magnesium. Spinach adds color, fiber, and some extra micronutrients. Next I am adding about half a cup of oats flour. It helps give the waffle structure and add some extra fiber. A little salt and spices for the flavor, and of course some paneer for protein. Here carrots add natural sweetness, beta-carotene and a nice texture. Blend everything until smooth. Today I am using steamed spinach, but raw greens work just as well. You will get a thick batter like this. If it feels too thick, add a little water, and if it feels runny, you can add besan or chickpeas flour. Now I am adding some finely chopped bell peppers, and honestly my vegetable chopper did all the magic today, since I accidentally cut my finger this morning. Now this part is my favorite. Cooking is a bit like a small science experiment. My kitchen is basically my lab. With the same ingredients, you can create completely different textures. Today, we used almost the same ingredients, but turned them into a pancake, dahi vada, and now a waffle. That's how I enjoy eating healthy food. And waffles make healthy ingredients feel fun again. Serve it with Greek yogurt and green chutney. One waffle makes a perfect serving. And with the Greek yogurt and high protein chutney, you are getting roughly about 24 grams of protein. This is one of my favorite way to make healthy food exciting, and most of the kids wouldn't even realize they are eating sprouts. So today we upgraded sprouts in 3 different ways. A crispy pancake, unique dahi vada or dahi valles, and a green waffle. Notice we did not remove comfort food, we just upgraded it with sprouts and other healthy ingredients. That's the difference between restrictive dieting and sustainable eating. If this helped you to see the sprouts differently, please hit the like button. I share healthy, delicious and practical recipes like this along with wellness tips every Sunday. So subscribe for more. And if you want personalized help and guidance to enjoy your weight loss journey, details are in the description. You will find all the detailed recipes of today's video in the description box too. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. Now go and check out my other breakfast recipes.